In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Access to Excel. Exporting from Access to Excel is straightforward, and it creates a separate copy of your data that you can analyze, share, or visualize without affecting the original database. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database you want to work with. Make sure the database you need is selected and fully open so all of its objects are visible in the navigation pane on the left. Next, decide exactly what you want to export. In the navigation pane, click once to highlight the object you need. This can be a table, a query, a form, or a report. You can export any of these, but keep in mind that you can only export one object at a time. If you need multiple objects in Excel, you'll repeat the export for each one. Tables and queries typically export as clean rows and columns. Forms and reports export the data they display. The layout may vary depending on your options later. With your object selected, go to the ribbon at the top and open the External Data tab. In the Export group, click Excel. This opens the Export dialog where you'll tell Access where to put the file and how to format it. Click Browse to choose a save location. Pick a folder you can find easily and type a clear file name so you'll recognize the export later. This helps keep multiple exports organized. Choose a file format next. In most cases, .xlsx is the best choice because it supports modern Excel features and larger data sets. If you need compatibility with very old versions of Excel, you could choose another format. But .xlsx is usually ideal. You'll see a couple of optional settings. Export data with formatting tells Access to carry over formatting and layout where possible. This is especially useful for reports, and for tables or queries, it can preserve things like column headings and some styles. Open File after export will automatically launch Excel when the process completes so you can review the results right away. Pick the options that suit your workflow. When you're ready, click OK. Access will export the data and create the Excel file. You may see a brief progress indicator, and then it's done. Your data is now in an Excel spreadsheet. Each export creates a new worksheet or a new file, depending on the destination you chose. If you need more objects in Excel, simply repeat the same process for each one. This method keeps your Access data intact while giving you a clean, ready-to-analyze copy in Excel.